Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure Dynamons world is updated, and you are at least level 10 so wild encounters scale correctly. Once done, free 3 team slots and equip 2 elemental baits to attract the python spawn, because spawn mechanics favor baited zones. Next, check your inventory for 5 capture orbs. Without them, you cannot secure the capture. Do this now so you can move straight into targeted hunting. No wasted time searching random maps. You travel to Swamp Ridge at the game's night spawn window, where python is most likely to appear. Timing increases encounter probability. Then deploy the Serpent Attract bait and activate passive lure abilities on your lead Dynamon, because stacking attractors raises spawn weight. Once python appears, weaken it to low health using non-fatal attacks, avoiding moves that cause instant KO, and apply status effects like sleep or paralysis to boost capture chance. This method balances risk and efficiency for consistent captures. You attempt capture with a capture orb when python is at low HP and affected by status. This maximizes success. If the orb fails, switch to a heavy orb or increase bait intensity before the next encounter, because capture mechanics depend on both item strength and spawn modifiers. If python flees, wait 5 minutes and re-enter the same zone to reset spawn chances. Finally, save the game right after capture and train python immediately to secure it. If anything goes wrong,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.